Hi dears, this is very much similar to two forces. Suppose two forces F1 and F2 is there. The resultant is F1 plus F2. Okay, here similar F is there, right? And this is resultant of E1 and E2. E1 and E2 are unit vectors. So therefore AE1 will be similar to F1, AE2 is similar to F2, and this F is F1 plus F2, right? That is how we got F equal to AE1 plus BE2, right? So multiply vectorically E1 on both the sides. So F1, which side we are multiplying is also important, right? I will be multiplying the left hand side, E1 cap cross F1. Okay, this will be E1 cross this full AE1 plus BE2, right? What it will become? It will be E1 cross F1, which is equal to A is constant, right? A multiply this here also, multiply this here also, right? Both the ways you multiply. So what you will get is A is constant, E1 cross E1, right? E1 cross E1 plus B is constant, E1 cross E2, right? E1 cross E1 plus B, E1 cross E2, right? What we will get here is nothing but E1 F. Okay, what is E1 and F? Angle between them is alpha. Angle between E1 and F is alpha. Okay, cross product. So it will be modulus of E, that is E1. Modulus of E1 is 1. Modulus of F1 vector is F1. And the sine of angle between them is a sine alpha, right, into n cap. That is equal to E1 cross E1, that is 0, 0 vector, plus B, E1 cross E2. So what is E1 and E2? Angle between them, alpha plus beta, right? So B is there, modulus of E1 is 1, modulus of E2 is also 1, and then sine of angle between them is alpha plus beta into n cap, where n cap is the unit vector, okay, where n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to both E1 and E2, okay, such that E1, E2 and n cap form a right-handed triad. Okay, you can imagine that. So E1, E2 and N, three pencils, if you keep perpendicular to each other, they have, you can say, right-handed triad. Now you go to the next board. Okay, what we got is nothing but, what is our F? F, we will start from the end, otherwise we will not have space. So it will be F sine alpha n cap. This is what we have written. 0 vector I will not write. B sine of alpha plus beta into n cap. This is what we have written in the previous board, right? What is our B? I can n cap component if I take, I'll get F sine alpha equal to B sine of alpha plus beta n cap component I am taking out. So I'll get B equal to F sin alpha. I am finding B only, no? What is B and what is A only we are trying to find. That is why we got B, right? So F sin alpha into sin of alpha plus beta. Because we have written what? B into E2 cap. And we want to find what is my B, right? What is my B, right? What it is? B into E2 cap. We wrote no, and we are trying to find what is B, right? That is how we got. That is the reason I am writing B equal to, because we are trying to find what is B, right? So we got B value as F sin alpha by sin of alpha plus beta. Similarly, we want the value of A. What is A here? A E1 cap, and we want to find what is the value of A. Okay, what is A? How to find A? Here we multiplied by E1 cap. No, now we will multiply vectorically by E2 cap. Right? So what we will get here is very easy. So E2 cap into F vector. What is my F vector? F vector is nothing but A E1 cap plus B E2 cap. What is my F vector? A E1 cap plus B E2 cap. And I am going to multiply vectorically by E2. So E2 left hand side. E2 cross F equal to E2 cross the full one. That is A E1 cap plus B E2 cap. So if you multiply vectorically, what you will get? These two multiplied and these two multiplied. So what you will get? E1 cross E2, A cross B is modulus of E2, that is 1, modulus of F. So F only, F vector, modulus of F vector is F. Okay, modulus of E2 vector is 1, modulus of F vector is F. And sine of angle between them, E2 and F is beta. So sine beta into, it is in the opposite direction, no? So it will be minus n cap, right? Which is equal to E2 cross E1. Modulus of E2 is 1. Modulus of E1 is 1. So A is constant. E2 and E1 is angle between them is sine of alpha plus beta. Same way it is also in the, we are having the right hand triad, no, the opposite direction it comes. So you are getting minus n cap. Therefore, what is the value of A? N cap, we'll write it down one more step. Okay, minus n cap we will, okay, minus n cap, what we will do? We will take minus n cap component, that is F sin beta minus n cap component equal to A sin of alpha plus beta minus n cap component. So this will be equal to A equal to F sin beta divided by, what is A? F sin beta divided by sin of alpha plus beta. Okay, this is my A. A equal to F sin beta divided by sin of alpha plus beta. Therefore, what is F? F is nothing but A times, what is my A? F sin beta divided by sin of alpha plus beta into E1 cap plus, what is my B? F sin alpha divided by sin of alpha plus beta into E2 cap, right? So we got the components, right? So this is how we got the component. Now component of a force in a given direction. Okay. Now, given a force F and a direction specified by the vector E cap, okay, one force is given and its unit vector is E cap, suppose. Okay, what is given to us? Given a force F and a direction specified by the unit vector is E cap, the scalar quantity, that is F cap dot E cap, right? F cap dot E cap is nothing but is the component of F in the direction of E cap, right? Yeah, given force is given and the direction specified by the unit vector E cap is given. The scalar quantity F dot E cap is known as, that is nothing but magnitude of F in the direction of E cap, right? Now we go to the next bookwork. This bookwork is nothing but to express the force F vector acting in a plane in terms of its components in two perpendicular directions in the plane. Okay, to express the force F acting in a plane in terms of its components in two perpendicular directions in the plane. Okay, that is, two forces are there and they are perpendicular to each other. This is the force F. Okay, we want to find the component of F in the, this is the force F is given to us. Force F is given to us. We want to find the component of F in the two perpendicular direction, that is I direction and also in the J direction. Okay, the angle between F and I direction is alpha. The angle between F and J direction is what? 90 minus alpha, right? So this is what we are going to find. What is the component of force in the I direction? What is the component of force in the J direction? Let I cap and J cap. Whenever we talk about the perpendicular, we can take I cap and J cap. Always it is true. Okay, let I cap and J cap be the unit vectors along the perpendicular directions. Let I cap and J cap be the unit vectors along the perpendicular directions. Okay, then from vector algebra, okay, we have what we have?